Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. It's got Bitcoin open on a 4-hour chart. I've got this marked up. What I'll do, I'll just go back out to the daily and I'll show you what I've done here, and then we'll work our way down the time frames and look for an opportunity. I've just come in here and marked up this accumulations range through here, this red candle on the daily. Okay, so this is definitely my next port of call. If we break through this level here and trade down, I'll be looking for targets in around here. This coincides with a 4-hour level as well, and we've got this level up here. This is the week, I call it the weekly open if it's Monday. It traded up on Monday, makes sense, bit of a stop run, and now we're getting a bearish week. All right, but I'm looking for a retrace here. This is also a weekly key level of support. So we've got, if you look back on the daily candle high, okay, you can see here resistance, 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 right? Big level. I won't open the weekly chart, but if you go back on the weekly, you'll see that that coincides. It's a weekly and a daily level of support right through here now. If we go back down to the 4-hour, at the moment we're trading in here. We've got this imbalance. Now, I've just marked up candle left, candle right, and I'm expecting this to close the gap. What else have we got? Well, point of interest is definitely this order block here and this one. So I'm looking for this to trade between the two. If we grab a fib retrace, we could pull it from high to low, 61.8 to 786 makes sense. Possible retrace back into these levels, or at least the 50. See this yellow zone I've got on the fibs? The 50 coincides with the low of this order block, this bearish order block here. So that's what I'm interested in. Trade back into these levels and then just look on the lower time frame for the opportunity. If we go down to from here, I think I've covered everything here. We'll go down to say a 5-minute. And oh, by the way, guys, we've been trading this. Let me just go back out again. My Discord group I'm talking about. Click the link below, by the way, and join our Discord. This is a free group, and you're welcome to jump on board. I sent this trade in earlier. We shorted it back up here, and we're still short. I did send a snapshot into the group today, and I mentioned closing at this level, closing out completely, and see if we get a pullback and another opportunity to re-enter. So this has been a really nice outcome. So let's just go down to, let's go to the 15-minute. This is the kind of thing that I'm looking for. See how this price action plays out. We get this range through here, and I'm always talking about how this works. This is looking to short, all right, and it's building liquidity above and below, but mainly smart money is looking to short this. We get this range and a build-up of liquidity above. We just grab that liquidity pool, stop losses. Okay, so a lot of traders are looking to short this. They're entering short through here, stop losses galore. What happens is this is manipulated, and smart money will force the market down, enticing a whole bunch of traders short in through here. And what do? They take it back up and sweep this liquidity. This is a stop run. A lot of traders get caught out with this kind of price action, right? And then it trades off. So we've got tutorials on this and how it works and how we can trade this kind of price action. It's in Discord. You're welcome to check it out. So, I mean, on the lower time frame, I'm going to be looking for more or less similar kind of a setup. So even if we go down to the 3-minute, now that we've got this marked up, see, we're in this zone here. Well, I'm going to be looking for pretty much the same thing. So at the moment, this isn't really giving me anything. So keep an eye on how it ranges through here. So we've got these relative equal highs. Just be careful, because this could even trade further south without a pullback at this point, and you want to watch out for that. So the kind of thing I'm going to be looking for will be, and look, I really do think it's at some stage it's going to trade back through this gap here, looking for this orange zone. So the kind of thing that I'm going to be looking for will be, and I know a lot of traders are going to be seeing this and looking to counter trend trade it, right? So what you could get is something like this entices traders in again, and then they do a liquidity sweep, and then you get your trade. But what happens is this is going to form something like this. All right, you'll start to see higher highs, higher lows, this sort of setup. Possibly, I mean, this is it's just a concept at the moment. It could go the other way, but once you see it sweeping both sides of the range, I guess that's what I'm getting at. I'm going to be waiting for, generally, this is going to, if it trades like this, there's a low, and then you get this sort of setup here, okay, where you get this higher low forming, and then you get movement north. So follow the highs and the lows if this sets up like that. That's what I'm saying. In saying all that, there's an easy way to trade this. We've got alerts that tell us when this is rotating on the 3 minute. So we just set the alert and wait for the alert to go off, and we're in. I'll show you that quickly before I wind up the video. But yeah, that's the sort of thing. I'm just going to take this back out. This is the sort of thing we're looking at. Here it is. Look at this. Look at this. See, this is the range that I marked up. Fake out, shake out. See here? We're looking for a bearish opportunity. It's right here. And this is the price action that I was talking about. Notice here, we've got this, right? We've got this. And see this? Lower high? That's your entry point. Right there. As soon as you see it trade off, there you go. What we generally do is we'll wait for this signal, and we look for the retest when it trades back and starts to roll over. Okay, so that's our cue. Guys, jump on board, gain access to the indicators, by the way. They're available. DM me. See you in Discord. Have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.